Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So finally I have gotten the pre-qualification badge. Today is my happiest day and you can see it. My application is this. Right now the total number of people that have qualified for the airdrop is 9,536 and we have 1 million eligible participants, so you still have time. Now I'm going to show you and tell you how you are able to crack the code even though the code was not yet live. That's why I said join our WhatsApp group. It was somebody in our WhatsApp group that cracked the code and we were able to use it even before the code goes live, and that was why many of us qualify for this airdrop. So if you have not joined our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel, you are missing a lot. If you want to qualify for this CEXY code, do well to join our WhatsApp group and you will not regret joining there. If you join there, make sure you are active. As from 12 o'clock Nigerian time, if you're in Nigeria, just be active on your WhatsApp. I assure you that you are going to see the code and you are going to qualify for this airdrop. So even though right now the application is still pending verification, but they are going to still approve it. After all, I have passed all these stages. You can see my wallet is there, my email is there, and my wallet is also there. So I have passed this stage and they are going to approve the application. So you can see you did great. You have successfully submitted your application and it will now proceed to verification. So this is the message I got when I applied for the pre-verification process. So I got this, and people in our WhatsApp group, they also get verified. Can you see Vincent also complained about the pending verification, but he said it worked. The code worked, and in no distant time they are going to verify him. This young guy, our savior today in the group, Ewim Michael, he's the one that gave us the code. The code is 76321 or 54378. Right now the code might not be working, but when we used it, it was actually working. You can see that people online testify that it worked, and somebody say I just succeeded. So all the codes are now working. All the codes are working now. So the two codes are working now. All the codes are working now. They added extra slots. So people that was online succeeded, and it was this we market that called me. Immediately I saw a call. I was actually busy. I saw a call. I said, let me check who is calling me, and behold, it was Jenny. Go and check the Becexy code. I rushed immediately. I rushed and logged into the Becexy portal. I used the code and I succeeded. This is my flyer, whatever I would like call it. So if you want to get this code, join our WhatsApp group. I believe Ewim Michael will still help us tomorrow. We have a long way to go. You still have time. Keep on trying and make sure that you are active on this channel. You will get it right. So that is it for this video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys.